Yes, beta. We start our chapter. Page number 61. Page number 61. The speech of Derry. We have some recap. Now, Mr. Lamb said, I like to talk, have company. I like to talk to the people. I also want to enjoy the company of the people. You don't have to answer questions, but you have not to reply any question. You don't have to stop here at all. But I want you not to stop here at all the time. The gate is open. There is yes, but Mr. Lamb, I have a hive of bees behind those trees over there. Now, behind these trees, there is a hive of bees. Bees means छत्ता, मधुमक्खी का छत्ता है. hive माने छत्ता, bees माने मधुमक्खियां. Some here bees, they saw bees buzz. Some people hear the sound of bees and they said the bees sings like buzz. But when you listen to bees for a longer while, when you listen the singing of the bees for a longer time, they hum, and hum means sing. They start singing. I hear them singing my bees and I hear my bees singing. मैं अपनी bees को singing करते हुए सुनता हूँ. Derry, I like it here. Yeah, I also like it. I came in your garden because I liked it. I liked your garden. When I looked over the wall, when I was looking over the wall, I jumped over the wall and entered your garden. Mr. Lamb, if you had seen me, you would not have come in. Beta, if you had seen me, अगर तुम मुझे देख लेते, तो you would not enter my garden. तो आप मेरे garden में नहीं आते. Derry, no. The Lamb, no. Derry, it would have been trespassing. Actually, it would be an illegal entry because I came in your garden by jumping the wall. Mr. Lamb, that is not why. Na beta. Derry, I don't like being near people. I don't want to mix with the people. When they stare, when they look at me, when I see them being afraid of me, okay, I saw them, they are afraid of me. मैंने देखा कि when they look at my face, they are afraid of me. मुझसे डर जाते हैं. Mr. Lamb, you could lock yourself up in a room. So, if people are afraid to see you, then you can lock yourself. That you can lock yourself in a room. तो अपना कोई कमरे के अंदर बंद कर लो. Never leave it, and you never come out of it. There was a man. Now, don't look at her face. Now, Mr. Lamb shares a story, a very inspiring story with the boy Derry. Yeah, there was a man who did that. A man also did the same. He locked himself in a room and he never came out of it. He was afraid of everything. You see, of everything. Everything in this world. He was afraid of everything in this world. उसे संसार की हर चीज से डर लगता था. A bus might run him over, or a man might breathe deadly jumps onto him. He was thinking that he might meet an accident. A bus can hit him, or a man might sneeze and pass deadly jumps onto him. एक मैंने अगर छींक दिया तो उसके जंप मेरे में घुस जाएंगे. A donkey might kick him to death. A donkey can kick him to death. गधा उसके पैर मार सकता है, किक कर सकता है. Lightning might strike him down. Okay, and On a rainy day, there must be some thundering and the light may fall over him. He might love a girl, the girl would leave him. So he might slip on a banana skin. The banana skin, केले का छिलका. If he steps on banana skin, he might fall. तो गिर सकता है. And the people would laugh at him. लोग उस पर हंसेंगे. People who saw him would laugh their heads off. When he would slip on banana skin, the people start laughing. When he will fall down. So he went into the room. So the man locked himself in a room and locked the door. And he locked the door and got into his bed and lie on his bed and stayed there and lying over there forever. हमेशा के लिए. For a while. Then what? Mr. Lamb, a picture fell off the wall on his head. There was a picture hanging on the wall. By chance that picture fell on him and killed him, and he died. The man was trying to save his life. Okay, so he never go out of his room. He never met anyone. All the things has been shown in this chapter, which he refused to do. But when he was lying on his bed, a picture fell on him and killed him. The man died. Because the time and place for the death is fixed. The time and place for the death is fixed. It can't be changed. There he laughed along. Oh, Mr. Lamb, you see, समझे? There, but you still say peculiar things, sir. You always tell strange things, strange stories. Mr. Lamb, peculiar to some, no doubt. It is peculiar. It is strange to some. There, what do you do all day? Sir, tell me, what do you do throughout the day? आप पूरे दिन क्या करते हैं? Mr. Lamb, sit in the sun. I sit in the sun. धूप में बैठ जाता हूँ. Read books. You thought it was an empty house. You think that it was an empty house. No, it was not an empty house. But inside it is full. From inside the house is completely full. Books and other things. I have so many books and so many other things full. Very, but there are not any curtains at the windows, but I am not seeing any curtains on the windows. It means there is no curtain on your windows. Mr. Lamb, I am not fond of curtains. I don't like curtains. Cutting things out, cutting things in. Again and again, you pull the curtains, okay, and you just release it. So I don't like the things shutting out, shutting in. I don't want to pull the curtain in or out. I like the light. I don't have curtains on the windows because I like light. I want light to come in my house. And the darkness. I like the light and the darkness, and the windows open. So my windows remains open. I always keep the window open. To hear the wind, I also hear the sound of wind. Jerry, yes, I like that. I also like all these things. When it is raining, I like rainy season. Okay, I feel very happy when I saw raining. I like to hear it on the roof. When the big drops of rain falls on the roof, it produces a sound. I like it. So you are not lost. It means you are not completely out of your mind. You have mind. You have thinking. You can realize everything. Your mind is working. तुम्हारा दिमाग काम कर रहा है बच्चे. Are you? Not altogether. You have not lost everything. You do hear things, you listen, you can hear things, you can listen everything. They talk about me. The people talk about me. लोग मेरे बातें करते हैं. लोग मेरे बारे में बातें करते हैं. Downstairs, when I am not there, when I am not at my home, what will he ever do? What is going to happen to him? When I am not at home, people come to my home and they talk to my parents. Okay? What is going to happen to him when we have gone? Now the parents think. What would happen to this child when we would be not alive? Okay? Here in this world, क्या होगा जब हम यहाँ से चले जाएंगे? When we would die, what would happen to my child? हमारे बच्चे का क्या होगा? However will he get on in this world? How will he survive? How will he survive in this world? Looking like that, even though with such a face, with such an ugly face, how he will survive in this world? How he will face the world? संसार का सामना वो कैसे करेगा? With that on his face, with this burnt face, that is what they say. All the people talk about me like this. Mr. Lamb, Lord, boy, what are you saying? Actually, you have got 2 arms. Beta, you have all the limbs. You have all proper limbs. My proper हाथ पैर है. You have proper physique. You have got 2 arms, 2 legs, eyes, ears. You have got a tongue and a brain. God has given you everything. You are a complete man. You are a complete boy. You will get on the way you want. Like all the rest, you can make your future. You can make your life like the other boys, like the other people of the world. And if you choose, if you like, set your mind to it. Just focus your mind, concentrate your mind on the important things. Concentrate your mind to make your future. You could get on better than all the rest. I think that you can do much better. You can do far better than all other people. आप और लोगों से कई ज्यादा अच्छा कर सकते हैं. There is how, Mr. Lamb, same way as I do, as I am doing, in the same way you can do. There is, do you have any friends? Do you have friends? Hundreds? I have hundreds of friends. There is, but you live by yourself in that house. But you live quite alone in your house. You live quite alone in your house. It is a big house too. Even though you live alone in such a big house, आप इतने बड़े घर में अकेले रहते हैं. Mr. Lamb, friends everywhere. You can see friends everywhere. People come in. People come in my garden. Everybody knows me. Whosoever comes in my garden knows me. The gate is always open. The gate remains always open. They come and sit here in front of the fire in winter. In winter, I just light the fire and all the people just sit round the fire. लोग आग के चारों तरफ बैठ जाते हैं. Kids come for the apples and pears. Kids come in my garden for the apples and pears. It means small children come in my garden for having the fruits. And for toffee, kids like toffee. I give them toffee also. I make toffee with honey. I make toffee myself with honey. मैं शहद से टॉफी बनाता हूँ. Anybody comes, so have you? So you also have come in my garden. Jerry, but I'm not a friend. I'm not your friend. मैं आपका friend नहीं हूँ. How can be I your friend? How can be I your friend? Means मैं आपका friend कैसे हो सकता हूँ? Mr. Lam, certainly you are. No doubt, beta, you are my friend. So far as I am concerned, as far as I think, you are my friend. What have you done to make me think you are not? What have you done to make? Why are you thinking? Why are you thinking that you are not my friend? I want to ask. Just tell me why you can't call yourself my friend? Do you want to fill any particulars to make friends with me? क्या तुम्हें कोई फॉर्म भरना है मुझसे दोस्ती करने के लिए? Derry, you don't know me. You don't know where I come from or even what my name is. Sir, you don't know me. You don't know from where I have come, and you don't know my name also. Mr. Lam, why should that signify? Is it important? Is it important to know all these things, that from where you have come and what's your name? I think it is not important. Do I have to write all the particulars down? Do I have to fill a form to make friends with you? क्या बड़े तुम्हें दोस्ती करने के लिए कोई फॉर्म भरना है? What your name, your mother's name, your father's name, your email address or your address? No, this is not important for making friends. दोस्ती करने के लिए सब important नहीं होता है. And put them in a filling box before you can be a friend. I have already explained. Derry, I suppose not. No. I am thinking that it is not important to make friends. It is not important to fill all the particulars of a form to make friends. किसी से दोस्ती करने के लिए कोई फॉर्म भरने की नीड नहीं है. Mr. Lam? Yes, sir. Mr. Lam, you could tell me your name if you choose. If you like, you can tell me your name. And not if you don't. If you like, you can tell me your name. If you don't like, if you are not interested, so don't tell me your name. I'm not asking. Derry. Only it is Derek. It is Derek, but I hated that Derry. लेकिन मुझे Derry से घिरना है. If I am your friend, if I am your friend, you don't have to be mine. If I am your friend, it is not compulsory that you would be mine. आप मेरे दोस्त होंगे. I choose that. Islam, certainly, it depends on you that you will accept me, your friend, or not. Derry, I might never come here again, and you might never see me again. Suppose I could not come back here in your garden again. Suppose I could not come back to your garden again, and you will not able to see me again. Then I could not still be a friend. So I cannot be your friend. Again, I am telling you, if I could not come back to your garden, first thing. Second, if you could not see me again, okay, so how can you say that I am still your friend or I could be still your friend? Why not? क्यों नहीं? Derry, how could I? How it is possible? You pass people in the street. The very good words are here. You pass people in the street. In the street, on the road, you see many people, okay? And you might even speak to them. Sometimes you start talking to those people, but you never see them again. But you could not see them again. अब दोबारा उन्हें देख नहीं सकते. It does not mean they are friend. It does not mean they are your friend. Mr. Lamb does not mean they are enemies, but it does not mean that they are enemies. If we can't accept those people passing in the street, our friends, so we can say that they are also not our enemies. Actually, what happens? We travel in train, in bus. Okay, we just come in the contact of many people. We talk to them. Okay, but it is not possible that we could find them again anywhere. Okay, but if we talk to them, so they are our friend. We can't treat them as our enemies. हम उन्हें अपना enemy तो मान ही नहीं सकते. Either does it? No, they are just, oh, nothing people. They are only people. They are just common people. They सिर्फ common people हैं. That's all. Mr. Lamb, people are never just nothing. People कोई चीज भी नहीं होते. People are the people. People are the friends. There are some people I hate. There are some people in my life I hate. Mr. Lamb, that would do you more harm than the bottle of acid. If you hate some people, it is more dangerous than the burning of the acid. If you have hatred in your heart for some people, अगर आप अपने दिल में कुछ लोगों के लिए घृणा रखते हैं, it is very bad. It is very, very bad. It is more dangerous than the bottle of acid. अरे ये घृणा तो एसिड की बोतल से भी ज्यादा खतरनाक है, बहुत डेंजरस है. Acid only burns your face. Acid only burns your skin. Acid only burns your skin, but hatred burns you from inside. Acid only burns you only outwardly, but hatred burns you inwardly. एसिड तो सिर्फ आपको बाहरी रूप से ही आपको जलाता है, लेकिन घृणा आपको आपके अंदर से जलाकर राख कर देती है. Getting or not? Okay, Mr. Lamb. Very only, yeah, really. Mr. Lamb, like a bomb, only blew up my leg. In the war, a bomb was blasted. In a war, the bomb was blasted, and in that blast, my one leg was off. Getting or not? There's a worst thing can happen. It was the worst. It was the worst incident happened to me. It was the worst incident or accident happened to me. You can burn yourself away inside. Beta, you are burning. You are burning yourself from inside. But it is not good. It is not right. So don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself from inside with hatred. घृणा के साथ अपने आप को अंदर से मत जलाओ. It is very, very dangerous. Daddy, after I had come home, one person said, once I was at home, one person said he would have been better off stopping in there in the hospital. One person advised my parents to send me to that place, to that hospital where all the burnt people live. Once a person advised my parents to send me to that hospital where all the burnt people live. अपने बेटे को उस जगह भेज